Ever felt that sinking feeling? You know, the one where you desperately need to access your bank, but you're stuck in a place you don't know well? Maybe you're traveling, maybe you've just moved, or maybe, like me, you're just terrible at remembering where anything is. Today, we're diving into a question that plagues many of us, especially those of us who bank online. Is there an Ally Bank near me? Now, before you start picturing brick-and-mortar branches dotting every street corner, let's get one thing straight. Ally Bank is primarily an online bank. So, the traditional concept of near me gets a bit redefined. We live in a world where near me has become synonymous with instant gratification. Need coffee? Coffee near me. Hungry? Restaurants near me. But what happens when near me meets the digital realm? It's not about physical proximity anymore, it's about access. And that's where Ally Bank shines, but also where the confusion begins. Let's unpack this. Ally Bank, for those who might be new to it, is a direct bank. This means they operate predominantly online and over the phone. They don't have a vast network of physical branches like your traditional banks. Instead, they focus on providing competitive interest rates, no-fee banking, and robust online and mobile services. This model allows them to pass on savings to their customers, which is a major draw. But it also raises that all-important question: how do you access your money when you need it? The answer lies in a combination of digital tools and strategic partnerships. Ally Bank provides a powerful online platform and a highly rated mobile app, enabling you to manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks remotely. Think of it as your bank branch, right in your pocket. But what about cash? We all need cash sometimes. Ally Bank understands this. That's why they've partnered with the Allpoint ATM network. This network provides access to tens of thousands of surcharge-free ATMs across the United States. So, while you won't find an Ally Bank branch on every corner, you'll likely find an Allpoint ATM nearby. Now, let's address the near me aspect directly. How do you find these Allpoint ATMs? Ally Bank provides a convenient ATM locator on their website and within their mobile app. You can simply enter your current location or address, and it will show you a map of nearby Allpoint ATMs. This is your Ally Bank Near Me solution, in a digital sense. It's crucial to understand that while Ally Bank doesn't have its own branded ATMs, the Allpoint network is extensive. You'll find these ATMs in various locations, including supermarkets, pharmacies, and convenience stores. So, even if you're in an unfamiliar area, you are likely to find a convenient ATM. Beyond ATMs, Ally Bank also offers other ways to access your funds. You can transfer money electronically to other accounts, use debit card purchases, and even request cash back at participating retailers. These options provide flexibility and ensure you're not solely reliant on ATMs. Now, let's talk about the specific scenarios that might lead you to ask, is there an Ally Bank near me? Imagine you're traveling and need to withdraw cash. You might not have the luxury of planning your route around specific bank branches. In this case, the Allpoint ATM network is your best friend. Or, perhaps you've recently moved and haven't established a relationship with a local bank. You might be wondering how to access your funds without incurring excessive fees. Ally Bank's online platform and ATM network provide a seamless transition. Another scenario, you're in a financial pinch and need to deposit cash quickly. While Ally Bank doesn't accept cash deposits at ATMs, you can use their mobile check deposit feature for checks and explore other options like money orders. However, for cash, you will need to find another way to convert that cash into a form that can be deposited into your account. The key takeaway here is that Near Me with Ally Bank is less about physical branches and more about digital accessibility and strategic partnerships. It's about having the tools and resources you need to manage your finances, regardless of your location. Now, some might argue that the lack of physical branches is a disadvantage. They might prefer the face-to-face interaction and personalized service that traditional banks offer. And that's a valid point. However, Ally Bank compensates for this with exceptional customer service, available 24/7 via phone, email, and chat. They also offer competitive interest rates, no-fee banking, and a user-friendly online and mobile experience. For many, these benefits outweigh the absence of physical branches. In essence, "Is there an Ally Bank near me?" translates to, "Can I access my Ally Bank account and funds conveniently and efficiently from my current location?" And the answer, more often than not, is yes. Thanks to their robust online platform, mobile app, and all-point ATM network. The digital age has redefined banking. It's no longer about proximity to a physical building, it's about accessibility, convenience, and efficiency. Ally Bank embodies this new paradigm. So, the next time you find yourself wondering, "Is there an Ally Bank near me?" remember that your bank is wherever you are, thanks to the power of online banking and strategic partnerships. Embrace the digital revolution, and you'll find that near me takes on a whole new meaning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.